Oh hey, you want to join my jam party? Huh, alright, I guess we can go on the boat. Let's go! Today we're in a place called Long Island, although it's a different Long Island than the Long Island in New York. It's a long island in the Bahamas. If you want to check it out, hop on board. I was hoping to run into Batman inside of one of these caves, but maybe next time. He must be hanging out with Catwoman. What a traitor. Since Batman was busy, I figured it was time for me to go cruising around on my dogmobile. After I went as far as I could go, I figured it was time for me to get out of the fast lane and head on over to the beach. Okay, I'm winded. I got all my steps in, and I hear some friends calling me from back on the boat. Let me go see who they are. Well, I guess I'm throwing a dinner party here on Adrenaline.